Good evening, all of you. Welcome, you guys. Welcome you all. I hope we are live. So, could you please confirm the audio video? Is the audio video is clear to all of you? Tell me. चलो, let's start our discussions, all of you. So, आज का सेशन में हम डिस्कस करने वाला some of the important topics of the digital problems, and today we are going to discuss the previous classes we have completed the Boolean algebra, logic gates. आज हम discuss करने वाला K-maps के बारे में, and we'll see the all the important questions, the PYQs and some other test series questions we are going to cover. With this, you will get a lot of confidence in the K-maps. Fine, chalo, let's start our discussion. And before this, we have one great announcement from Unacademy से आपको बहुत बढ़िया ऑफर मिलने वाला. So there is a chance to get that 27% discounts. Right. So this offer which is valid up to 31st March, and by using the code of BVREDDY. By using the code of BVREDDY, you will get. So this offer is limited offer, not 31st. From 31st onwards, so the price going to hike. From the 31st onward, the price going to hike. This offer is a limited offer. Try to utilize this opportunity as soon as possible. And so you can able to save up to 27%. You can able to save it. These are the features of Unacademy Plus. And we are planning this. We are launching the BARC test series also. 6 full-length test series. That is just 269 rupees only. And by using the code of BVREDDY, you will get the additionally 10% discount आपको मिलने वाला. Don't wait. So if you are planning for this BARC, you can plan it. And this is for ECE full length test. And so the Unacademy rank predictors, which is working pretty well. And so we are starting the offline batches. We are starting. So you can see, you can do follow the offline. If you are interested for the offline, you can plan the offline coaching also. And these are the discounts which we are providing for this Plus students and Iconic students. The students who are already taken the Unacademy Plus subscription, those fellows will get a 50% of discount. And the students who have taken the other institutes, 50% discount मिलेगा. And 33% for early bird and 20% for the merit discount. And we are starting the new batches. We are starting from the March 18th onwards. So this is for GATE 2024 के लिए. So here Ankit sir is going to start the analog circuits. You can find the top educating stream here. Right. And these are the features of Unacademy GATE 2024-2025. You can see this thing here. The top educators will take the classes and each and every topic will cover in detailed manner. And so do follow these courses. And these are the new batches we are launching. So try to plan your subscription as soon as possible before the price going to hike, and by using the code of BVREDDY. With this code of BVREDDY, you will get the personal guidance from me and the great discounts. And another new thing here, we are launching one exclusive batch for the engineering mathematics and the general aptitude के लिए. And so the students can able to take this only for this batch only, and with a price of 4,999, and by using the code of BVREDDY. In this course, I am going to take this mathematics I am planning. I am taking the engineering mathematics, and Saurabh sir will take the aptitude. Right. Chalo, let us continue our discussions. Last class we have completed up to Boolean algebra. So आज हम continue करेगा K-map से शुरू करेगा. Fine. So let's start the K-map. All of you. So let's start our discussions K-map. Now take the first problem. The output expression for the K-map is shown below is. Tell me the what could be the option here, K-maps. Here, सबसे पहले बोलिए now here, is it possible to do this as any quad? Quad possible or not? You tell me. Yes. This I can do the quad. I can do. Tell me all of you. ऐसा quad बनेगा. So tell me by grouping these cells, हमको क्या मिलेगा? Tell me now here. Here we'll get this as a B, and here we'll get this as a D. Right. Vertical से B, horizontal से D. Next, what else I can do it now? I can do this grouping. A grouping से हमको क्या मिलेगा? You see this thing. Tell me now here. हमको so this is A, B, and then C. Right. So कौन सा option? Tell me. Option D. कौन सा option here? Option D. Next. चलो next problem. K-map is used. What is the purpose of this K-map? You tell me. K-map is used. For what is the purpose of this K-map? You tell me. So for what you tell me? Minimize the number of flip-flops, minimize the number of gates, minimize the number of gates and fanning. So what the purpose of K-map is? Minimize the number of gates and fanning also. Not only number of gates and also fanning also. What the fanning means? Number of inputs to a logic gate is called as a fanning. The fanning must be as minimum as possible. Right? So not option B, option C is correct. Right? So not only number of gates, and we should reduce the number of inputs to the gate also. Fine. Next. Yes, tell me the next one. Third one. Right, tell me now here. Is a quad is possible here? You tell me. So I can do this quad. I can do. Tell me all of you. By doing this quad, so then what I will get? You tell me. So by doing this quad, हमको क्या मिलेगा? ये मिलेगा. Next, what else now? I can do another quad. I can do here. Like this, we can do another quad. यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा ना here? That is C bar मिलेगा. So कौन सा option? Tell me. A plus C bar. What is the option? Tell me. A plus C bar. All of you tell me. Sorry. A plus C bar. So option D. Everybody tell me. Done. Next one. Tell the next one here. They given the expression here, the equivalent minimized representation of the function is. If you see carefully, they given the max terms given. Max terms. Then what you will do here? Min terms में करेगा, max terms में करेगा. You tell me. What you will do? Min terms will do or max term analysis you will do. So but option में देखो, according to option we need to proceed it now. But लेकिन option में min terms में भी high, max terms में भी high. Options are. So here then we cannot say this is which has to be done. We need to try our luck only. So anyway max terms given now. So let us try our luck with the min terms में. अगर min terms में अगर आंसर हुआ कि नहीं चेक करना पड़ेगा. Yes. Now you tell me now. What are min terms here we'll get now here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's all. Only these are the min terms now here. Let us try to simplify this thing. Let us try to solve this thing by using min terms. अगर min terms में answer है तो अच्छा है, but लेकिन min terms में नहीं तो here फिर भी मैक्स टर्म्स में करना पड़ेगा, राइट। दिस इज ओनली द हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड, वी नीड टू प्रोसीड इट हियर। मिन टर्म्स में होगा कि नहीं हमको पता नहीं। ए बी सी डी, नाउ टेल मी नाउ हियर ए बार बी बार, ए बार बी, ए बी, ए बी बार, C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. Yes, tell me the max min term they given. 2 is a min term, 4, 5, 6 is a min term, 8 and 10 is a min term. 8, 9, 10. Yes, these are the min terms. Now tell me all of you. Now what we can do groupings now here. So I can do this grouping. By doing this grouping हमको क्या मिलेगा बोलिए, that is A बार C D बार। अगर ऑप्शन में है कि नहीं चेक करो, A बार C D बार, yes है ना ऑप्शन में, fine। Next I can do this thing, so by doing this thing what I will get now here, A B bar and then D bar, है कि नहीं चेक करो, A B bar D bar, yes ऑप्शन में है, बहुत अच्छा है। So directly we can say this is option C is correct answer. अगर नहीं तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, we need to do the max terms में भी हम analysis करना पड़ेगा, अगर नहीं तो fine। Next, which are the logic circuit is a function of f whose schema is given. Okay, let us minimize it first of all. So I can group it now here. If I group this thing here, यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा, tell me now here, A bar C bar, and by grouping this thing what I'll get, which is equal to, tell me now here, B C, isn't it? Now you tell me now which expression is in this form, you tell me which expression is in this form. So here we have option C, here we'll get this as what now, A bar, and this is C bar. Here what I'll get, A bar into C bar, and this is BC, and here this is sum of these two is nothing but this expression only. Now tell me, F is equal to A bar C bar plus what, BC. So this is the option, I can say option C, tell me, isn't it? Next, now tell me now here, the minimized form of the expression is, tell me the minimized form. Is it possible for quad? Quad नहीं possible ना here, so I can do this grouping. यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा, tell me now here, x bar y bar मिलेगा, and यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा, tell me now here, y z, x bar y bar y z. So option B na, right? Fine. Next, now you can see now in this case a linked answer question. So here previously we find na f we got now here. What is the f we got here, tell me, x bar y bar plus what, yz. Now we have to implement these expressions. Now which option will use this thing, tell me, which option will use, you tell me. Option D na, tell me, check it. Option D will give these expressions, so option D, right? Next problem, 8th one, tell me, all the options are given POS form में दिया. So if you see carefully, what are the min terms here? So these two are the min terms, right? So from this, what I can say now here, D expression D, which is given as what, A bar BC plus what, A B C bar. So which I can take the B common, then it will becomes what, you tell me now here, A bar C plus A C bar. So this is nothing but what, you tell me now here, XOR gate, which is given as what I can say, this is A XOR C and which is given as. So how we can write this thing is a XR in the POS form. A bar plus C bar into what? A plus C. This is the POS form of a XR gate. Now tell me. So comes the option, tell me. So what's the option? Option A. Done. Next, the K-map for a 4-variable Boolean function is given. The correct Boolean sum of the product is. That means SOP form they are asking. Tell me the SOP form of these expressions. Yeah, check it now here. Quad. So I can do this quad grouping I can do here. This quad groupings I can do. So यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा बोलिए ना here. So here P is there now. So here we'll get the Q bar and yes. That's all now here. Now कोई दूसरा grouping not possible ना. This is not possible to group it now here. So ये तो पोपटलाल हो गया. ये क्या बन गया? ये तो पोपटलाल. What is this thing here? Tell me. P bar, Q, R, S bar. So tell me now here finally कौन सा option tell me? Q bar S plus P bar Q R S bar. Right, option B. Next, tell me the next one. Try for this thing groupings. Right, so I can do this group, I can do this group, I can do this group, I can do this group. Yes or no? Quad is not required here, you tell me. Quad is not required now here. So this thing यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? Tell me now here. So which is equal to P bar R S. And from here what I will get, you tell me. P Q R. Yes. Now you tell me what I will get from here. So which is equal to P R bar S. Now you tell me now here which is equal to P bar Q into R bar. So you tell me now कौन सा option here? कौन सा option satisfy होगा? Tell me. Here this quad is required. The quad is not required, isn't it? This quad is there now. This quad is redundant now here. The quad is redundant here, isn't it? Fine. Next, the minimal SOP form of the Boolean expression is minimal form. So if it is possible to do by using what we can say Boolean algebra, you can do. If not, go for the K-map. So is it possible to do it now? इतना आसान नहीं ना to identify the groupings now. So better to go for the K-map only. So tell me now, this is what now here? 0, and this is 8, and this is 9, and this value 8 plus 2, 10, 11, and this value tell me 10, and this value how much you tell me now? 2. Check it all of you. So go for the K-map. Right, so P, Q, R, S. Now you tell me now what we'll get here. This is P bar, Q bar, P bar, Q, P, Q, P, Q bar, R bar S bar, R bar S, RS, RS bar. You tell me now here 0 is a min term, 0, 8 is a min term, 9, 11, 10 and 2 is also min term. So you tell me now what I can do. I can do this quad. A quad से हमको क्या आएगा? Tell me now here PQ bar. And what else I will do? All the corners I can group it now. All the corners will group it. By grouping all the corners से हमको क्या मिलेगा? Tell me now here Q bar and S bar. So tell me what I'll get the option A. Done. Right. Next one. Take the next problem. The min terms they given, so they are asking to find the minimized form. Yes, tell me 3 variable came up. Right, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Right. Now you tell me now I can group this thing. यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? ये आएगा. Right. Now you tell me now here by grouping these two, this pair B bar C and from here, so this is BC bar. Yeah, you tell me now what is the expression will come here. Tell me A plus B bar C plus what? BC bar, which is given as A plus what we can say here B XR C. So tell me the option is A. What? A bar, sorry, A bar na. Okay. This is A bar. If it is A bar, what's the option? C na? What it is? This is C, isn't it? 12th one C. Right. Next, the simplified form. Now tell me now here in this case क्या आएगा? Do it. Yes, tell me now here A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar, C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. So try for the quad. You tell me here we have this quad is there. This quad. So here यहाँ से हमको क्या मिला? Tell me now here. This is A bar, C bar, A bar, C bar. Any quad is possible, you tell me? I can do this and this. This quad is possible, you tell me? यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? This is A bar and D bar मिलेगा and this pair. So क्या आएगा? Tell me now here. A, B, C. So कौन सा option tell me? Option A. Next. How many min terms does the minimal switching function has? How many min terms this function has? In this case, the best technique is what you tell me now. K-map is the best technique to identify. Here how many variables you tell me? How many variables are these? Are 5 variables now. Here they given a 5 variable given na here. So how many cells required? 32 cells required na. Here the cells 32 cells required, but means two boxes we have taken here like this. Right. Now you tell me now here. Here I am taking the V bar. Here we have taken as V form. Now this is WX YZ, and here WX YZ. Now locate it now here. So here this is W bar X bar, W bar X, WX, WX bar, Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z, YZ, YZ bar, W bar X bar, W bar X, WX, WX bar, Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z, YZ, YZ bar, isn't it? Now see the first thing here, they given this as X. Locate the X now. Here we have X is there now. Wherever the X is there, that will be filled it as 1, you tell me. Those are min terms. Here also X is there now. So these are the min terms. Understood all of you, tell me. Next Y bar Z. Next what else we have? Y bar Z. What is the Y bar Z here? Here we have Y bar Z, Y bar Z, Y bar Z, Y bar Z, Y bar Z. Yes, we have now this thing. Totally how many min terms are there? In this box we have a 10. In this box we have a 10. So totally how many min terms it contains? You tell me. 20 min terms it contains. If you do the normal method, so the chance to get answer is 24. Why? Because if you see carefully, this min term is there now. This is for the common for both cases, isn't it? And this term is also common for both cases. So that will be counted 2 times will count. Okay. So that's why common terms we should eliminate, isn't it? Totally how many min terms you tell me? Only 20 min terms. Done. Chalo, next one. The K-map. So tell me now what could be the expressions. Minimized form. So I can do this quad. एक quad से हमको क्या मिलेगा? Tell me now here. X bar. Now any another quad I can do. Tell me now this quad से हमको क्या मिलेगा? You see. So यहाँ से हमको y मिलेगा. Tell me. Next any another quad I can do here. ये quad भी काम कर सकता ना? Tell me. We can do this quad also. By doing this quad, what I will get? You tell me now here. Z bar. So you tell me now what is the answer you see? बेटा ऑप्शन तो नहीं ना, चेक करो क्या होगा, है कि नहीं है, या है ना ऑप्शन ए, isn't it? Done. Take the next one. Consider the following circuit. Which of these gate generate a periodic square wave? Which gate will generate a periodic square wave? Periodic square wave means the circuit it should behave like a unstable. Unstable होना पड़ेगा. For unstable case, you tell me now here how many number of inverters must be inside the feedback. Even number or odd number. If it is even number, it should behave like a buffer. If it contains odd number, it will behave like a stable circuit now. So it should contain odd number. So that means what now? Here we have odd number, and here this NAND gate will behave like a NOT gate only now. Here this NAND gate will behave like a NOT gate. So that's why this is also correct, you tell me. So 2 and 3 will use a periodic square wave. right? Next, the function f, the k-map of the circuit is shown in figure. The minimal representation of the f is. Now you tell me the minimal function here. So I can group this thing. Yes, by grouping this thing here, you tell me what I will get here. So we will get this as a C aayega. Thereafter I can do grouping here. By grouping this thing here, tell me what I will get now here. This is A bar B aayega. So कौन सा option tell me now here? C plus A bar B. Done. Next, for a 4 variable K map, if each cell is assigned to a one integer values, now they are asking to find what you tell me now here, the adjacent cell for 7. Yeah, tell me now here the logical adjacent cells. Now this, if I say A, B and C, D, tell me the logical adjacents. Now this is 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. Now tell me now adjacent cells for 7. Tell me adjacent cells for 7 is what? 3, 5, 6, 15. 3, 5, 6, 15. Option C. Next, while obtaining minimal SOP expressions, while finding the minimal SOP, you tell me now what we should do here. Now all the don't cases are ignored, isn't it? Shall I ignore all the don't cases? All the don't cases treated as logic ones. All the don't cases treated as logic zeros. What we can do here? The don't cases are like a, so we can use. अगर हमको मदद किया तो we can use it. If not, we can take them as zeros or one. That depends upon the problem. So the only such a don't case that aid minimization can treat it as logic ones. That depends upon the problem to problem. We cannot directly comment the don't case will be treated as zeros, don't case are called as ones, we cannot say. That depends upon the problem to problem. Fine. Next, schema method of simplification can be applied when the given function is in what form? In which form K-map is valid? SOP form or POS form or canonical form? Any type of form K-map is valid. So here even the minimized form also this K-map is applicable. Next, 21. They given the function is switching function, which of the following is valid? Now here they given this as 3 variable K-map. 3 variable K-maps. So tell me now here. X and YZ. X bar and X, Y bar, Z bar, Y bar, Z, YZ, YZ bar. Now tell me now they given X bar is given, so this is a min terms we can locate now. Next X, Y bar, where we have here X and Y bar, where we will get the scenario X and Y bar. Here will come now. Next X, Z, X and Z, Z will come here. isn't it? Now after that, let's group them here. Let's start grouping here. So you tell me now here, while doing this thing here, I can do this grouping. If I do here, यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? This is x bar. Now I will do this grouping also. We can do it now. Tell me. So यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? You tell me now here. Y bar मिलेगा, and I can do this grouping also. We can do it now. Tell me. So क्या आएगा? Tell me now here, which is equal to z. Now you tell me. So let's see these options now here. Any other groupings are possible? You see. Any other groupings are possible? You see. So this thing, these are the groupings now here. So can you tell me PIs now here? Can you tell me PIs? So PIs are given us. What you tell me now here? These are the three PIs now here. Those are X bar, Y bar is a PI, and Z is also PI. These are three PIs. Now see this thing here, they given first option, this is a PI, so this is not correct. And this Y is a prime implicant. Y bar is a prime implicant, not Y na. Right. Now next you see this thing, other thing here. Now you see this thing here, xz is not a min term. This is what now? Xz. Min term means should contains all the variables must be present now. So that's why this is not the term. And xz is a implicant. Yes, xz is one of the minimized form or not. It is also implicant only. So option C is correct. xz is not a min term. Min term means what now? It should be standard form में होना पड़ेगा. X, Y, Z. All the three variables must be present. But the Y is missing now here. So that's why that is not a min term. Fine, all of you. Next. Tell me now here, the function represented by here. Now you see this thing they given, but here this is not a standard K-map. Standard K-map, it has to maintain the logical adjacency na, but the logical adjacency is not maintained here. After 1 0 0 1 we have what? 1 1 na. So that means you need to change it now here. Yes, now thereafter we need to simplify them, isn't it? Yes, tell me now here A, and this is BC. Tell me now here A bar A, B bar C bar, B bar C, BC, BC bar na. So this is 1 1. Here is a 1 1, isn't it? We need to rearrange the given K-maps. So by grouping this thing here, what I will get now? यहाँ से हमको B bar C bar मिलेगा. From here, what I will get? You tell me. BC आएगा. So that means what is the expression? You tell me now here. So here B x naught C, which is nothing but here only na complement of XR. Next, which are the following function implements the K-map shown below? Which are the following function implement the K-map shown below? Now tell me. Quad possible, oct is not possible, right? Quad possible now here. I can do this quad. यहाँ से हमको what will get now here? CD. Next, tell me now here. I can do this quad also. I can do. Right. So tell me now what will get now here from this? AD. Check it all of you. Now, so that means what the minimized form? Tell me now here. AD plus CD. So the answer is B na. Now don't case are need not to be grouped, isn't it? Don't case are not necessary to group it now. Fine. Take the next one. Which function does not implement the K-map given below? Yes, tell me now which function does not implement this K-map? The given functions. Next, let's try this thing which is not implement. We should find. Okay. So अगर मैंने ये ग्रुप किया तो यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? टेल मी. XY मिलेगा. So and if I do this grouping, यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? You see, Y and W मिलेगा, isn't it? You see this thing here, XY, YW. So this is implement. So this is not the option. XY, this is also not the option. Now see this thing here, option C they given something. So try this thing here, option C को मैं हमने कुछ minimization किया तो कोई ऑप्शन होगा आएगा क्या? चेक करो. Now we can apply the T2, we can apply now. Tell me what I'll get. WY plus what? XY into what you tell me now here? X bar plus Y. So if you multiply this thing, what I'll get now here? W X bar Y plus WY plus 0 plus XY will come now. If I take the WY common here, WY plus XY only this thing. If you see, after simplifying this option, हमको क्या मिलेगा? This is XY ना. That means all these three options are same. You tell me. All the three options are same. So that means this given function will implement all the functions. So option D is not here. Fine. How long it takes you to command digital electronics? I didn't understand. You are talking about the command of to get the command. You are asking? Are you asking the command for me or for you? You are asking. So what's the option? Tell me in this case. Option D. All these functions are implementing the function. उनके लिए. So here, अगर आपने so here, so if you do practice it now here, 15 to 20 days you will get a confidence in this digital. Just 15 to 20 days you have to work it, then you will get a lot of confidence you will get. Just do watch. अगर आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन है तो एक बार प्लस में मेरा क्लासेस देखो. अगर एक क्लासेस देखने के बाद सो आपको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा. एक क्लास होने के बाद यूट्यूब में हमारा प्ले लिस्ट है ना, सारा डीपीपी हमने सॉल्व किया. सो वो भी सॉल्व करो, देन यू विल बिकम अल्टीमेट इन द डिजिटल. सो वॉट एवर द प्रॉब्लम विल कम, यू कैन एबल टू सॉल्व इट. Isn't it? The students who are already following, they will get to know this information. Isn't it? All of you remaining fellows know this thing now. Given the following K-map, which one are the following represent the minimal SOP? Tell me this thing here. The minimized form of this given functions. Yes, tell me now, let's group it now here. What we can group now, quad possible or not? Check karo. Quad possible or not? Right. I can do this quad. यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? Tell me. Y bar Z. right? I can group this thing. Okay, so यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? So this is what we'll get now, x y. Check it all of you. So कौन सा option tell me? So remaining quads are not, no need to group it. Option A. Next, minimal sum of the product. Yeah, you tell me here. Quad only possible, right? This quad. So tell me what I will get here. यहाँ से. So what I will get now here? X Z bar. Next, here what we'll get now here? X bar Z. So what's the option? Tell me. C, na? What, C or B? What are option? X Z bar. X. This is option B. Sorry. Next, the little count they given like this. Now here they are asking what is now here. What does the minimal possible literals of product of some POS and SOP expressions? POS में how many literals? SOP में how many literals they are asking? Yes. SOP how many literals? POS में how many literals they are asking to find? Yeah, tell me now here. We will group it. So यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? You tell me now here. X, Y. Next, and we will group this thing. यहाँ से हमको क्या मिलेगा? You tell me now here. Which is equal to Y W. Isn't it? So this means the expression which is of the form, you tell me now here, xy plus yw. So this is SOP form. SOP form, how many literals it contains, you tell me? SOP form, how many literals it contains, you tell me now here, which is equal to 4 literals. And this thing, which if I have taken common, then it will become x plus w, now tell me. Now this is the POS form बन गया. Then how many literals, you tell me now? 3. So SOP form में 3, POS form में, SOP form is 4, POS form. I think they should give the options ulta, they have to give, I think so. POS form 3, SOP form is 4. Yeah, they should give these options like this. Okay. Here first they are asking for POS now. POS and SOP they are asking, isn't it? Done. Chalo, next one. And which are the essential prime implicants? Which are the essential prime implicants? Essential prime implicants. By just seeing we cannot say which are the essentials, right? So K-map से हमको पता चलेगा which are essentials, right? So this is A bar A, B bar C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar. You tell me now A bar C. So A bar and we have C. A bar C. A C bar. A C bar here. B bar C. B bar C. This one. Right. Now let us group them here. Now this, by grouping this thing here, हमको क्या मिलेगा, you tell me. यहाँ से हमको this is A bar C मिलेगा. Next, by grouping this thing here, what else will get, you tell me now. यहाँ से this is A B bar मिलेगा. Thereafter, by grouping this and this also I can group it now, tell me. So by grouping this thing here, हमको क्या मिलेगा, you tell me now here. This is A C bar मिलेगा. Next, what else now here? Even we can group this grouping also, we can do it now here. A group से हमको क्या मिलेगा, you tell me now here. B bar C. Now you check this thing here. Which are essential prime implicants here? Which are essential prime implicants? अगर आपको here, if you have taken this thing here, this is essential. So A bar C is essential. A bar C is essential. And what else you see this thing here? A C bar also essential. A C bar also essentials, isn't it? And you tell me here. So this A B bar, this is not essential now here. This is 2 times, this is also 2 times. So what I can say, only these two are the essentials, you tell me. Only these two are essentials. Fine. Chalo, next one. Now take the next one. Which are the following expressions are not equivalent to F? Which are the following expressions are not equivalent to F? How we can identify this thing, tell me. Not equivalent to F. Those min terms and F min terms are same if it is equal. If it is not same, not equal. Okay. Now tell me now first one here, P. We need to verify if the min terms are not same, then we can say those are not equal. W X Y Z. So tell me now here, W bar X bar, W bar X, W X, W X bar, Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z, Y Z, Y Z bar. Now you tell me the min terms they given here, you can see. These are the min terms they given. As we know, min terms numbers we know now. This is my 0, this is 1, and this is 3, and here this is 2, this is 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. Now you tell me now here. So X bar, Y bar, Z bar. Here where we have Y bar, Z bar, Y bar, Z bar and X bar is there. Here and here. These are the min terms. Next W bar X. W bar X here and Y bar. W bar X and Y bar here. W Y bar. So here Y bar Z. Where we have Y bar Z here? This is the Y bar Z and W here and here. Next X Z, X and Z here and here. You see the min terms are this thing here. 0, yes, 0 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 7, 8, 9, 13, 15. So this means P and F is same. Yes sir, now tell me how I am doing. This is a P. min term analysis I am doing, isn't it? So here of course this is total lengthy, but we have to verify it one by one, this thing. Next, so we need to carefully, we have to simplify. now this is p का हमने simplify किया. Next, right, so here wx yz. Now do simplify here also. Here also what we can write now, these are w bar x bar, w bar x, wx, wx bar, y bar z bar, y bar z, yz, yz bar. Now locate now here this thing q. So q is what you tell me now here. W bar y bar z bar, y bar z bar here and w bar. So here and here. Next, w x bar, w x bar y bar, w x bar y bar here. Next, x z, x and z. So here what we have here, x z here, 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 here we have. Now check this thing here. Is this minterm same as earlier? So see this thing, this is 0, 4, 5, 7, 13. Yes, exactly same now. So Q is also same. Right. So Q is also same. Next. Yes, next let us see the R. R के लिए भी check करो. YZ, W bar X bar, W bar X, WX, WX bar, Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z, YZ bar, YZ, YZ bar here. Now here locate now here W bar, Y bar, Z bar, Y bar, Z bar, W bar here. Next W X bar, Y bar, W X, W X bar and Y bar they are saying here. This thing. Next X Y Z, X Y Z, Y Z here and X Y here. X here also. Next Y bar Z, Y bar Z here and X, Y bar Z. Check this thing here, this days of minterms will come. Now you see this is also same as a given minterms. Satisfy now here, might be yes, may not be satisfy, I think so. Right. Yes, may not be satisfied. Right. So this is a manner we need to do it now, this type of problems. Understood the way of approach now here. Verification we did. Verification से हमने किया ये सारा. So this is WX, YZ. W bar X bar, W bar X, W X, W X bar, Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z, Y Z, Y Z bar. Tell me now here. In this case, min terms you tell me Y bar Z bar, Y bar Z bar, X bar here. W X bar, W X bar, Y bar here. Next W bar Y, W bar and Y. Here is a W bar and Y. Here, here. So this is completely different na. Yes is, you see, this is not. So this is not satisfied na. Option yes is not satisfying the given function. Isn't it? Tell me. All of you. Done. So option D is the correct ना. Yes is not satisfied. हाँ भाई इतना टाइम लगा ये प्रॉब्लम के लिए. So this problem will take nearly 10 minutes ना. Fine. चलो next problem. The K-map. So what is the minimal form of the function given? Minimal form they given. Tell me. So any quad possible? First of all, you tell me. First of all, quad possibles or not? All corners I can group it ना. All the corners group किया तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? Tell me. So this is here. Yes. Now B bar, D bar मिलेगा. Next, what else we can do here? This thing and this thing. Right, from here what will get you? Tell me. This quad. So यहाँ से हमको A bar मिलेगा. So then what else now here? D bar. So tell me the option. Tell me the option here, which is equal to A. Fine. Done? Yes. Fine. Yeah, that's for the today's class, and tomorrow also we have same timings, 9:15 we have a class, and we'll continue the remaining problems. Fine. Let's meet in tomorrow class. Remaining for tomorrow we'll complete this K-map, along with we can do the number systems also we can start. After completion of the K-maps we'll start the number systems. Okay then, see you, bye bye, good night.